3 days ago, Jsmon have launched the latest Burp Suite extension. In the previous extension, users were only able to configure the settings. They were able to scan the URLs which are coming in the Burp Suite's HTTP history. But to view the results, you still have to go to the Jsmon and you can export the results from there, copy the data from there, and then you will have to come back to the Burp Suite extension. But in the current Burp Suite extension, users can just go on to the launch the extension and they can configure the settings, and they can also view the results, copy the results, and export the results in the same extension. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the extension, how you can configure your settings and your scan settings, and then how you can view the results in the Jsmon Burp Suite extension tabs. Let's start with the installation first. You will have to go to this URL github.com/jsmonhq/jsmon-burpsuite-extension. I'll put this in the description of this video as well. In this, here you will see the releases tab. You just click on the latest release and then download this Burp Suite extension, the jar file. Once the jar file is downloaded, you need to go to your Burp Suite extensions tab, click on add, and then the downloaded jar file that you have just downloaded in your file system, select it and load it here. Once you have loaded the extension, it will look something like this. You can close this window and you will see this is already loaded. Make sure that this loaded button is already ticked. And then you will see a tab here from Jsmon. You need to go here and click on Get API Key, because you need to take your API key from the Jsmon account, put it here so that the extension can interact with your user account. Click on Get API Key. It will open a page like this. If you're already logged in, it will show you your account and you can copy the API key from here. If you are not logged in, or if you don't have an account at Jsmon, you need to sign up and then you can go click on Get API Key. It will directly get you to this page and then you can copy your API key from here. Once you have copied your API key, paste it here and then click on Fetch Workspaces. After clicking on Fetching Workspaces, you can select your workspace from here, or you can create a new workspace. For this video, let's create a new workspace with the name Burp Suite Extension. I'll create the workspace and then now I'll select it. Once the workspace is selected, now you can click on Enable Automatic Scanning. And this will automatically start scanning the JS files which are loading in your browser. So now I can go and I can just search for Shopify here. I can search for HackerOne here. I can search for, let's search India on Google. And then we'll go back to our tab and you will see it will start loading. It will start loading the data from my account. You will see the JS URLs right here. From Shopify, from HackerOne, and from Google. You will see the API endpoints which are here. And you will see the URLs which are coming in the client-side files from these websites. The domains, the IP addresses, the emails, the S3 buckets, and the invalid node modules. In case if you're looking for more data, you can just click on go to jsmon.sh here and it will directly get you to the JS Intelligence and Keys and Secrets page where more fields are present. You can also do the domain scoping here. So if you'll also put hackerone.com here, it will only it will use it as the scope and it will only target the hackerone.com domains and send them to Jsmon. You can turn off enable automatic scanning whenever you want. And you can also do a manual scan from here. Other than manual scan, you have copy all secrets button here that will allow you to copy all the secrets. And if you'll go to JS Intelligence tab, you can click on API paths, copy all the API paths. And once you have copied them, you can copy it, paste them into your Sublime or into other text editor, or you can also copy them into your intruder so that you can fuzz your different API methodologies.